Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu states that the Prophet ﷺ said, "There was a man belonging to the people prior to you, whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu had blessed with profuse wealth and children. He said to his children, 'You must do what I command you to do, otherwise I will declare someone else you an inheritor of my bequest. When I will die, you should incinerate me. What I remember better is that He ﷺ said, then pulverize me and then blew my ashes off in the wind. For I have not done any good deed for Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and undoubtedly Allah has power to award me punishment.' He then squeezed a concrete covenant from them. So they did the same. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, 'What exhorted you to do so?' He submitted, 'The fear of you.' He ﷺ said, then no other torment was awarded to him. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6917.